See this tree. Oh ho. This has very big leaves. Oh ho. The leaf is so big. A small child can sleep inside it. It is so big. Very big leaf. Oh ho ho. This is nature. Very big leaf. Oh ho ho. Such a big leaf. So you can explore such nature varieties and plants only near the dam areas. You will never find it in a normal setting, but near the dam you can see such trees. So this is one tree with big leaves, and this is one tree. Oh, oh, such a big leaf, very big leaf, beautiful, excellent. Do like and subscribe on Traveler Pradesh and keep watching.